Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. It's revision time and topic for today is phrasal verbs. So what are phrasal verbs? We'll answer that question and also later attempt an exercise that shall follow. Give me your 100% undivided attention. Here is an entry from the textbook and first we will talk about what exactly are phrasal verbs. So a phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or preposition or both. So as you can see in the example on the screen, the main verb is call and the words after that determine the meaning. So there is call out, there is call at, there is call for, there is call up, and there is call off. You see, all the meanings are different there. So there is a main verb and there is an adverb or preposition or both. And then the meaning changes. The exercise that we are now going to attempt is with the main verb look. So all the best, and I always say this, that whenever it is that you are attempting an exercise, be honest about it. Be very honest about it. So I shall now bring this the exercise on the screen so you can look at it and then attempt. All right, here we go. So this is the exercise with phrases related to look or phrasal verbs with look as the main verb. Let me make it full screen. Here you go. It is at this point that you can pause the video. Okay, and I hope that you had paused the video because now I'm going to show you the answers. There were options if you had noticed. Well, let's hope that you will get them all correct. So here are the answers. Let's read them one by one. A leader must be someone whom the people can look up to. That's respect. He looks down on people with less money than himself. That means he looks at them with disdain. The teacher looked on the student's absence as a serious matter. Please look through the agreement before you sign it. That means read carefully or at least scan. He looked for a reward when he returned the valuable ring to its owner. So he was anticipating a reward. Although it had been a bad year, the chairman thought that the business was now looking up. So things were getting better. He looked up the meaning of the word. To look up is to look for meaning. And along with meaning, you should always confirm the pronunciation. Any new word. Last but not the least, no prizes for guessing that. The last remaining option, obviously. The investigating team decided that they must look into the matter yet again. That means to investigate. Let me know if you scored all of them where you got 100% marks. Let me know. Please be honest when you leave your score in the comments or send me an email. We will meet again real soon. The revision is a special playlist created on our channel. So in case you have missed the other episodes or videos, please watch them. We will meet again soon. Do take care. Bye-bye.